Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Then, what are the recent advances? Recent advances is we will have some molecules. First, we have something called as low molecular. Okay, we have low molecular weight peptides are present. Low molecular weight peptides or proteins are present. Okay, these low molecular weight peptides and proteins these will comprise the entire middle molecule. Okay, so a new entity called as middle molecules was being discovered in the recent advances. Okay, so low molecular weight peptides and proteins are present in the entire middle molecule, and these middle molecules mainly it consists of, it has beta 2 microglobulin, it has complement proteins. In the complement proteins we have C3A and factor D is seen, and similarly there is also we have leptins and also pro-inflammatory cytokines are also seen.
thank you and thank you for watching.